Hello children, today let us continue class 8 mathematics practical geometry exercise 4.4. Here also we are going to construct few quadrilaterals. First one, quadrilateral DEAR. Here we are learning construction of quadrilateral by using 3 sides and 2 angles. In each exercise we have learned with different data. The data is given differently. In some of the exercise there were 4 sides and 1 diagonal. In one exercise there were 2 angles and 1 angle and 3 sides, and here you have 3 sides and 2 angles. Here there is no diagonal given. First let us start with DE. How to draw rough figure. DE is a line segment which is given 4 cm. E is 60 degree and A is 90 degree. And RA is 4.5, EA is 5 and DR is not given, which we will get automatically. So first we will draw DE, which is of 4 cm. Line segment DE is 4 cm. Now, already in our previous classes we have learned how to draw 60 degree with compass. Here also we are going to draw 60 degree with compass. So, adjust your compass. Draw one small arc keeping E as the center, because we are going to draw 60 degree on E. E is 60 degree. So, draw one arc and keeping same measurement from this point, cut an arc. This is your 60 degree, the point of intersection here, this is 60 degree. So, extend your 60 degree. Draw a line. Now, because already measurement is given, EA is 5 cm. Now, to mark A, you need to cut an arc of 5 cm. Now, take 5 cm using your ruler with the help of compass. 5 cm, keeping E as center, cut the arc. This is your A. So, EA is 5 cm and this is 60 degree angle. Now, A is 90 degree. How to draw 90 degree? Now, keeping A as center, draw the arc. Now, cut the arc using same length. From both the centers, from both the points, that is end of this semicircle to this semicircle. Here we have one semicircle, that is an arc which we have drawn using same measurement. Cut 2 arcs on this semicircle with 2 different points, 2 end points. Now with this as the center, this point of intersection as the center, cut one more arc. Now keeping one more arc as a center, draw one more point of intersection here. This will be your 90 degree. Already we have learned this in our previous classes and previous exercise. This is 90 degree. This point is a 90 degree, which is R. But here AR measurement is 4.5 cm. So you cannot decide where is R. First take the measurement, that is 4.5 cm. And now keep A as center, cut an arc of length 4.5 cm. This is R. And now already we have D, already we have R, so no need to construct here. You can directly draw a line segment DR. And no need to measure. If you want, you can measure and write. So, but here it is not mentioned. So, quadrilateral DEAR is given. To draw the rough figure, we are taking DE as base 4 cm and E is 60 degree. You can take either of the angle to the base. So I am taking here 60 degree. Now draw 5 centimeter 60 degree angle first by taking an arc, drawing an arc, and this point of intersection will be at 60 degree. Now extend the line to A, draw a 5 centimeter length using compass and then mark A. From A draw 90 degree towards R. After construction of 90 degree, take 4.5 centimeter using ruler and your compass. Then draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So R is also constructed. Now join D and R. Steps for construction. Steps for construction. First one, draw DE, a line segment is equal to 4 centimeter. Construct an angle. Construct an angle 60 degree at E. At E. Now, second one. Mark EA is equal to 5 centimeter. That is line segment EA is 5 centimeter. Keeping E as center. E as center. Now, construct, third step, construct 90 degree is equal to A is equal to angle A is equal to 90 degree using compass and ruler. Compass and ruler. Now, fourth step, draw an arc or draw a line segment 4.5 centimeter from A to R, that is AR line segment is equal to 4.5. Keeping A as center. Keeping A as center. Now, after marking R, fifth step, join R and D, that is line segment DR. Thus, the construction is done. Now, second problem in exercise 4.4 is your homework. You should try on your own. Now, exercise 4.5, let us continue with this. The next exercise, that is draw the following. Here, second problem, a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 cm and 6.4 cm. You may have doubt if the sides of the rhombus are not given, how to draw using those diagonals. So, one base rhombus is like this. We have, this is a rough figure. This is the rhombus. Sides are not given, but diagonals are given. 5.2 is a diagonal which we will consider as the base, and one more diagonal is 6.4, that is 6.4. Let us call it as A, B, C, D. Now in this rhombus, AC is 5.2. Here the sides or the diagonals are not mentioned, but we are going to take this as base 5.2 and name it as AC. And one more diagonal is 6.4, which is BD. Using these two diagonals, we can draw a rhombus. First, let me start with a base 5.2. 5.2. This is our base AC. I have given the name AC, which is 5.2. Here it is given only diagonal 1 as 5.2 and diagonal 2 as 6.4. If you want, you can give any name. Here it is 5.2. Now, you may think how to draw 6.4. First, to draw it in the middle, diagonal is in the middle of the rhombus. So, to draw it, first let me draw a 90 degree angle here. That is taking more than half. Draw a perpendicular bisector up and down. This will give you 90 degree exactly, or divide, or else you can say dividing this line into exactly 2 halves. Now we don't know what is our diagonal's length here. Already we have drawn only 5.2 base and a perpendicular line, but this line should be of 6.4 length, which is required for our rhombus, but 6.4 directly you cannot take, so divide it into half, d2 by 2, because 6.4 by 2, which is 3.2. Now using your compass and your ruler, take the length 3.2. Keeping this center point as your center, draw one arc up and draw one arc down. This is 3.2 and this is 3.2. Totally it will be 6.4. Now this point of intersection on this perpendicular line and this arc will be your B, and this point of intersection and the perpendicular line and this arc where those meets, that will be D. Now join DA and CD, BA and CB or BC. Now this is 5.2 and this is 6.4 centimeter. So thus the rhombus is constructed. Once again I will repeat it. 5.2 is the base. You draw a line segment. Now keeping A more than half of A, length of AC, you take, draw one arc up and down. From C also draw one arc up and down. The point of intersection will be your perpendicular line, which is 90 degree, and also the diagonal. Now exact measurement of diagonal is 6.4. So we should draw from middle of the base. So take 3.2, divide it 6.2 by 2, that is 3.2. From this center you take 3.2 and cut an arc up and cut an arc down. Now join this point of intersection, that is on perpendicular line. The measurement which we have taken, that is 3.2, and these 2 points are B and D, which is 6.4. Thus the rhombus is constructed. Now let me continue with fourth problem, that is a parallelogram OKAY, where OK is 5.5 cm and KA is 4.2 cm. As we all know, the property of the parallelogram says that opposite sides will be equal and parallel. So adjacent sides if are given, you can easily draw the parallelogram. OK is 5.5 cm. This is given. Always you should write the given data before starting your construction. KA is 4.2 cm. Now let me draw a rough sketch for you. That is OK is 5.5 and KA is 4.2. Opposite sides will be equal, so this also will be 4.2 and here also it will be 5.5. OKAY. Now let me draw, that is, let me construct the parallelogram. Let me consider the base as 5.5. Draw a line segment of length 5.5. Okay. 5.5 centimeter. Now to draw 4.2 centimeter, how to draw, you may have a doubt here, but we can take an arc and then you can go for drawing now extend this line . This is your KA. You can go for 4.2. Here the angle is not given, but I am keeping here 120 degree. So you can go for 4.2, that is and now keeping K as center, draw 4.2 centimeter. This is your A. This is 4.2 centimeter KA. Now, as you can see, opposite sides will be equal and parallel. This is 5.5, this also will be 5.5, this is 4.2, this also will be 4.2. From here, take 5.5 centimeter, same measurement as OK. Keep A as center, cut an arc. Now, as you have seen, the opposite sides will be equal. This is 4.2. Keeping O as the center, cut the R. So this point of intersection will be Y. This is 4.2 centimeter and this is 5.5 centimeter. So I would like to repeat once. OK is your base for 5.5 centimeter. So how to take 4.2 centimeter? Because we don't have any angle. I have constructed here 120 angle because we are drawing a parallelogram. So take 120 degree by using compass and ruler. Draw 60 degree. 2 times you will get 120, and through that point you can draw 4.2. Take a measurement of 4.2 using your ruler and compass. Draw cut an arc which you will get A, and then from A take 5.5 centimeter because opposite sides are equal and parallel. Cut an arc here, and from O to Y also 4.2 because KA is opposite to OY. 4.2 and draw an arc. This point of intersection will be a Y. So this is required parallelogram. OK, here Y. Thank you children. In our next video we'll start a new chapter because already the chapter which we have started is done, and the rest of the problems which are not done will be your homework in this exercise, that is first one and third one. I think you can easily draw square and rectangle using the given measurements.